Good morning, everyone. What's going on? How we doing? What's up, Nicholas? How we doing? Good morning, everyone. What's up, Mike? I see you. I saw you just texting me, too. I'm in this trade right now. This short on gold. Send you DM. Okay, word. I'll check it out. I got you. I'm actually in this trade right now, off this 5-minute CISD. So, I'm in right here. Five-minute change in the state. Swept out this internal. Honestly, I didn't even know that we had. I don't even check for news honestly anymore. Like, it's bad. I really should, but I don't even check for it honestly anymore. This is gold. I haven't checked NQ yet. How's everyone's morning though? Everyone doing solid? Yeah, no, honestly, I don't even check it. It's bad, bro. Made some quick cash going to bed fire, bro. 3 p.m. Jeez, yeah, no, it's 9 o'clock in the morning here for us. Yeah, New York session. That's what I like to trade, New York session. Got, 25 minutes? Still got some time.
Yo.
Yo.
What up?
What up? Let's check out NQ. Oh, we're super discorrelated. I didn't even realize that. That's crazy. NQ and ES are super discorrelated.
Does not.
That's actually kind of crazy.
Fucking time to short.
Yeah. Might just be time, honestly.
We said what?
It might just be time, honestly. Start shorting.
Yeah, it might. It really might.
I'm in a gold short on my live account right now.
Gold. 15-minute on gold looks
Horrendous.
Alright.
I know. It looks garbage. I'm in on the 5 minute.
Let me see the 5.
So I like how London swept out all the internal range, and then
Mm-hmm.
we accumulated again, and then we swept out all the internal range again inside of the 5 minute, and then made the 5 minute change in the state.
Valid.
So I want to see it down to London Law, but we'll see.
Like only barcode.
I know.
Oh, let me see.
I've really learned the hard way. You can't go break even unless it's like close to the draw, bro.
Yeah, basically.
You really can't. I've gotten break even way too many times, dude.
Yeah, now you have to let it displace. But like even then the shit edges and comes back even not by the draw.
Yeah.
Yeah, holy.
Yeah, this thing's dropping hard.
Yeah, we're gonna have an S&T on both sides.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, wrong charts. You said what?
I just can't believe how much we're dropping. About to take out
Yeah, it's fucked.
this 4 hour, unmitigated 4 hour.
Let me see. Oh yeah, we might end up just shorting through it at this point. I wanted to see the higher one hold, but I think it is. Dude, Bowen's gonna fucking blast.
Yeah. No, you were on that shit, bro. That's insane.
It's at 245 pre-market. That's insane.
You saw what like the deal with China or whatever?
Yeah, so China's the one that's giving us Boeings.
Oh,
We're buying
really?
Boeings from China.
Oh, okay.
And then, but I think it's either we're buying it from them or we're selling it to them. But either way, it's like there's some business within Boeing either way. So Boeing's going to like go up regardless of how the deal works.
No, it doesn't matter the direction. Yeah, it should just do well.
Yeah.
Going, right.
I also like Rocket Lab. It's
Yeah.
aerospace should be interesting when SpaceX IPOs
Yep.
or closer to the IPO.
Rocket Lab's been going berserk.
Yeah, it has been low key. Yeah, it's just holding like the break that it made on Friday, but I think it has a lot more room to the upside. Uh, oh, and then Tesla, like the closer that the SpaceX IPO gets, Tesla's gonna end up blasting with it too.
I added some, just because the contracts were so expensive, some Tesla like leaps when they were
Mm-hmm.
down. Dude, those contracts are running right now, bro.
Yeah, I think Tesla's gonna make a run back into like 500 all-time highs.
Yeah, I agree. It's so simple when you zoom out, bro. Just buy low, sell high.
I mean, yeah, it really is. Like, you just gotta buy breaks.
That's it, bro.
There's also this one company called ON. It's a semiconductor company, but their chart looks insane. Like, the chart just broke all-time highs. Like, closed them yesterday.
Okay.
Honestly, a lot of decent-looking names, but a lot of them are just within semis, which makes sense.
I mean, that's a sector that's just popping.
Yeah.
SOXL, bro. My buddy Kramer, he bought it at like $12 a share. His issue is though he doesn't have the conviction like to hold, but like bro,
Yeah.
he's been good at picking these stocks.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna lie. Low key, like looking at like the screener, like it almost seems like money is slightly gonna start cycling into like healthcare for some reason.
I mean, with the
Industrials and healthcare.
yeah.
You said what?
With the hantavirus?
Potentially, it's like there's just like a lot of like flow through like real estate sector and a little bit through like the healthcare and industrials.
Okay.
But right now it's like mainly tech. But like this screener kind of just like it'll populate with like, so I have like the setting institutional ownership set to like 40%, which means like institutions own like 40% of shares.
Okay.
So that way, like when you're seeing like huge moves, it means like institutions are in them. But yeah, it just looks like LOI is popping up.
Yeah, LOY's been ripping.
Looked at their chart last night.
How nice does their chart look?
Honestly, you see my screen?
Let me pull it up. Alright, let me see. Yeah.
Pretty solid. This should honestly run. It's like we broke out of this range here, and then we're kind of like gonna break this like trend line. Like I don't think this trend line's gonna hold lower. We're gonna end up breaking.
Go higher. What is this, daily?
Yeah.
Yeah. So look at
See here.
Draw out fibs from like low to high.
Let's see.
Came down perfectly in equilibrium, swept out the low inside of equilibrium, and I like, dude. I mean, that just looks.
Basically came back to and like retested like the highs we broke.
Yep. I love it.
And then on top of that, it probably came down. And the EMA's probably caught up like here, right here.
Wow. Yeah. Beautiful.
So we came down, and then the EMA's kind of cooled, and then we reclaimed them here. And now like this 10 EMA down here is starting to cross back over.
I see.
So we would expect this to like just ride the EMAs up. It's like momentum traders, they'll trade this, and then they'll like, they don't even have targets. They'll sell way up, and then if this price comes down and closes this EMA, then they'll just close the position out there.
I see. Yeah, I mean, honestly, dude, EMAs, like, I've seen are solid. The only thing that I have to say against them is that they're a lagging indicator, right? Like, it's like...
Holy shit, when's LOI going to split? Yeah, I kind of do like LOI, so I'm not going to lie. I have this alert set, but, I mean, it's already breaking the line into the open, kind of.
Yeah, I think that shit's going for the fucking moon.
Most likely, yeah. It's 1,000 a share, so naturally they'll end up splitting. Should keep running. Oh yeah, I did have it in my watch list. So, yeah. Should be interesting. For NQ, on the other hand, I really don't know what to do because there's an S&T on both sides, and I really don't want to I don't want to really fade that. Yes, looks like it's going to keep running low key while NQ kind of flips lower.
Yeah, ES
4 hour.
Definitely looks a little weak here.
ES hasn't filled in that 4 hour gap yet. We're coming into a smaller 4 hour.
Yeah, let's see if we can tap this 4 hour down here.
We have SMT at all-time highs as well, so it's like,
And it's weird SMT, like they were completely discorrelated for the move.
yeah, yeah,
Like ES was grinding up.
super weird. Also, it's like if this shorts, I don't even have targets because we're too close to even like where I would short towards, and then once that happens, like it's just this bullish leg up.
Yeah. Nah, you don't really want to be shorting through like the 4 hour, in my opinion.
Yeah, nah. Let me take a fib on this 1 hour and see.
Unless we like build structure and you get a break even spot inside the 4 hours so that you can just squeeze through it.
Yeah. Honestly, we have like this smaller 4 hour below and then this like a 1 hour gap. If we like come down there and start slowing down, maybe we reverse from there.
You said the 1 hour?
Yeah, like there's like we have that small 4 hour and then there's like bigger 1 hour inside of that.
Yeah, definitely.
And like this huge like kind of order block. And then if you take the fibs on the hourly, equilibrium's around like 378 to 384, depending how you take it.
Okay. So like basically that gap fill.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like maybe we come down, fill this gap. We have like this hourly like inverse, like kind of like BPR. So maybe like into like this kind of like 320 to 340 area. Come down, retrace, and then build some strength again.
Yeah.
I mean, we're still creating like higher lows, and we put in the higher high. So let's see. Yeah, SMT on both sides. Fuck that.
My gold tree is splicing. It's looking good.
Oh yeah, that does look solid. It's this area up top gold keeps like rejecting off of. Like this 716 area.
Mm-hmm.
All overnight, it just literally just kept rejecting. Even I think like previous day as well. Just a bunch of wicks up there.
Yeah.
Honestly, as short on gold makes sense. Like this is probably gonna remanipulate through the range.
Should see London lows.
I believe so. Honestly, yeah, that it should resweep like these range lows. So what you're targeting? What are you targeting?
Just this London low, 692.7.
Oh yeah, it's valid. This should go down and sweep out all of this, to be honest. But gold looks like the gold's overall like bullish, but I see the idea is like playing this like AMD because it's definitely about to AMD this.
Yeah.
Like I think it comes lower and sweeps out like the 12 a.m. wick into that like hourly wick.
Totally could, yeah. 100%.
The hourly wick has like fibs lined up with it too, which would be nice. Let's see. Low key, we could start buying up off there's the SMT at the bottom on NQ. Honestly, yeah, I'll probably just fade short until 10 a.m. If the 10 a.m. candle closes the 4 hour, then look to short.
Yeah, I like that idea, honestly.
And like, obviously, if before 10 a.m., if we're just buying up, like respecting the 4 hours, now just look to long.
Valid.
Yeah. We did expand pretty hard yesterday, so. Let's see, do you have any news? Today, just at 8:30. Is there a data wick? Should be a data wick now.
Do we have one?
It's like nothing basically.
Okay.
We took both sides of it anyway. Let's see. I think ES didn't take it, but it really just looks like a regular candle in price. I'm not even gonna like pay mind to it.
Word.
Yeah. Also, apparently Cisco has been like just ripping too. I guess they beat earnings.
Really? I haven't even checked,
Mhm.
honestly.
I just checked through whatever the screener pops up, because this screener, like, the amount of filters, like, it'll pop up like 30 to 40 names, and then I just like select through those names.
Wow. What platform is it on?
It's called Finviz.
Okay. I think I've
Yeah.
heard of it, yeah.
So it just has like a bunch of filters, like technical filters, fundamentals, and everything. So um like I have things like obviously the institutional ownership,
Mm-hmm.
price like trading above like the moving averages, uh RSI like not at like an oversold point. Basically just like narrows down to like it'll give you moves that like a day where like a stock moved to like 3%, and then it might be like either we're about to break or like that was the break, and then you kind of look to position.
Got it. Okay.
I'm also seeing like companies that are in materials like kind of like gaining traction, like mining companies,
I've seen that too.
copper and gold. Copper is going to be interesting because copper is needed for all those data centers.
That's valid, honestly.
So like this company right here, HBM. These are like mid caps. Like you would just buy shares of these instead of like swinging options.
Yeah.
20 a share.
I bought a INFQ. It's
INFQ.
quantum, but I just bought shares of it, like no options. But
Oh yeah, Val. Yeah, this is something you just buy shares of.
exactly, yeah. It looks like we're coming out at 705. Like it's not even like I'm trying to get an entry or anything. Just just the way that the fibs look.
Yeah, I mean this name hasn't even like ran yet, so it's like room
Exactly. Yep.
to build. Quantum still hasn't like fully taken off just yet.
Nah.
It'll be a chain effect with AI, ideally. Yeah, I don't know. I'm seeing a lot of like rotation in the healthcare, like CVS, LOY. Those are all healthcare.
Yep.
And then just like real estate. Like I don't know. Some of these like real estate stocks have like just rallied, and I don't know what that's about. But it really is just all tech. Like semis are like the pretty much the main attraction.
Mm-hmm. All right, 5 minutes. Let's see what we can do.
And this shit looks. Yes, looks like it could just rip back for the highs, and then Q looks like it could rip into Narnia to the bottom.
Yeah, I'm gonna trade NQ. I'm in this gold trade, Charlo. Wow. Last night I was looking at the 3 minute. It wasn't anything crazy, but just that inverse all the way at the top.
Oh yeah, your screen isn't up, by the way.
Oh my god. Wow.
I just peeped right now because I was gonna go look. Let me see.
So this wasn't anything crazy. It was just really a random IFEG, but just like I was watching it last night. Just crazy that just a random IFEG just sends it all the way to the bottom.
Was that the all-time high at the top?
Yeah, this is all-time highs, and then this 3 minute right here.
Let's see.
It was literally just
Actually clean.
just a random 3 minute, but
It wasn't bad actually. I mean, I'm sure if you take a 3-minute fib from that top to like bottom, that like
yeah.
kind of retrace, I'm sure that was a like fib retrace there. to some extent, and then like
Oh yeah, perfect.
yeah, 705, and technically that 3 minute wick is like a valid rejection wick, kind of like it reswept all time highs technically with those wicks to the left.
Tapped like the opening price or whatever of the wick perfect.
Yeah,
Yeah.
honestly that's not bad. And then like that area where we flipped that gap, like we retested like a BPR, made a perfect BPR right there, and then got like a wick fill of it,
Yep.
barely.
Yep. This was beautiful,
Very
dude.
solid.
This is literally exactly what I used to do. Just limit the BPR. That's it.
Yeah, you just gotta play off displacement because like right there, it's like the candles that are going up are like they're not really doing much, and the ones that are going down have more significance at that point.
No, it definitely looks like it. 100%.
Especially after like taking all time highs, it looks like a rebalance. And then where that like move ended, like around that where is that? Yeah, like right there. Like I'm sure like that probably like came off of a fib as well.
Oh, definitely.
Like from that leg up.
Yep. I held this
And that
last
15-minute
round.
gap.
Yep.
Yeah. Not really sure what could happen here. The YM looks like it's ripping. I need to see what the Dow Jones holds because like what's the ticker even on like on Robinhood? Like what's the Dow Jones like?
Is it
Like is there an ETF?
Is it IWM?
Is it? I think that's a Russell.
Oh, I think
Let me
it is
see.
the Russell. Yeah. Honestly, I don't know.
I think Dow might be like DIA or something. Let me see.
If it is, I genuinely don't know. I've never even heard
Dow
of it.
Jones, the Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF. Yeah, it should be this. So what do they hold?
Start playing options on them.
I mean, because like it just like they're like that ETF is up like 1% today, right? While like NQ and ES are kind of like in like a retrace. So it just looks interesting. Like it looks like we're kind of seeing the money slowly rotate.
Yeah.
Like so they hold things like Goldman Sachs, United Health, Microsoft, Amex, Visa, etc. JP Morgan,
Mm-hmm.
Home Depot. Interesting.
But I hit TP on gold.
Fire.
There it is.
Here's open. I really don't have like much conviction here. Just got to see what price wants to do. Off this open here.
I was fire, honestly.
TP it off the open.
Yeah.
Fire, yeah.
That's nice. Alright, let's see now what NQ does.
Let's just have SMT at the bottom here so far. ES is super strong, low key. Good amount of highs above for NQ
Yeah.
if it decides to buy up.
I want to see, though, probably New York PM low. Get tapped.
Yeah, at this point, yeah, might as well sweep it into that 4 hour. Just made another like internal SMT right there.
Yep.
I'm gonna give this a little bit of time to like build structure.
Yeah. No, I'm not trying to
See.
finish it yet.
It's also 15-minute gaps above us. Kind of see. Delete this 4 hour. Get rid of that. I'm just gonna monitor these two 15-minute gaps that are stacked on top.
Bet.
See if we start getting strength through them. I think for ES definitely looks like it's holding like a retrace to go higher.
Yeah,
See.
this doesn't look like it wants to drop.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, I'll be super surprised if we edge this 4 hour.
Technically made a 1 minute CISD there.
Yeah.
That like leg down was an SMT leg. want to see us buying up through the 15 through all that structure. Right now we have like SMT at range lows and then also internal. So now I want to see like price start to buy up through the gaps. Once it does that, like once you get past these 15-minute gaps, there's nothing to really hold us lower. Should just go for these highs.
Running NQ.
See what happens here. How do the ranges look today? Pretty wide, low key.
Yeah. Wow.
I might run
Just tap. This
probably like 3. I might go like 3 micros if I execute anything.
Valid. Just tap this 15
Oh.
right here.
Yep, higher one.
If we're gonna slow down, it would be this area. So.
Yeah, I want to see us just blast through these gaps.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna have to play some kind of continuation. I wonder if you take the fibs on ES, where did ES come down to? Let me see. 7.9 to the tick.
Really?
All right, bro. It's very interesting. So I realized if you align the fibs with S&T, like it, I don't know, like it works. Like it's weird how it works.
So that's
Like ES could take out a low, but then like NQ could just retrace into the fib and then like it plays out.
So without saying too much, that's someone's exact strategy.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of like on TikTok, I always like go through and I look at like people's executions. I always like decipher like where they entered off of like
Trying to
every
reverse
single level.
engineer it, right?
Yeah, I go on the chart and I literally reverse engineer.
Yeah, hell yeah. That's it's someone's strategy.
But yeah, I realize when it'll come in OT and then if they get an S&T trigger, they'll enter the shit.
Yep.
Just gotta.
Look for some wicks in the area.
Mhm.
S&T. Call it a day, bro.
Dude, we're low-key blasting. I don't mind this. I just want to get like a continuation, but this so far it's doing what we want.
Yeah.
Start trading with this 15. I got a trigger on Marvel Technology.
MRVL
Yeah,
for
like a
longs?
break.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, their premiums are probably fucking insane though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a little bit out of the money, like 200 calls, like 1,500. Jeez. I'm gonna just watch list some 220 calls.
Weird.
Watch those. All right, let's see. Back to the queue. Are we still ripping? We are. This is not bad. Now we just need like a retrace. What the fuck happened to ES?
What the fuck?
Interesting.
That's weird. Discorrelation again.
Honestly, get this 5 minute to close. Maybe also close at 15, come back down, retrace into that 5 minute gap, go higher.
It's valid, honestly. Dude, still, it's like weird. We didn't take out that we didn't touch that 4 hour. Like I just get weird.
I agree.
By that.
But realistically, we're still holding this higher 4 hour above.
That's valid.
And like, there's also S&T there because ES didn't come that low, even into like the bigger 4 hour that we were in originally.
True, very true.
And then, so yeah, we technically have like a high time frame S&T and then internal. So if it doesn't want to come for these lows, then it's fine. I think it doesn't have to necessarily.
No, it's fine.
But it does look weird how close we were.
Okay.
I can see that. But I mean, look at that 5 minute close to 15. Pretty strong.
Yeah.
And low key, ES is stalling. We're catching up.
This flip looks solid. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Starting to catch up with ES here. Holy, wow, like bruh,
Holy shit.
bruh. At 9:31 close. Sheesh.
Holy shit.
Please don't just go in one direction. Like, give us a chance. Yeah, Rem said that like not to be scared to like to play options on names that are like extended. He said the problem with this market is that it's going much higher.
So, I'm a firm believer in that too. Like, so like for trading futures, it's different. Like you don't want to top last, but like for
Mm,
trading like momentum stocks, like you're playing the
yeah,
momentum. Like retail's pushing it up. Like it's gonna start squeezing. Like
yeah, exactly. I mean, the only way we run all time highs on indices is like by individuals running all time highs on their own like
exactly,
respective charts.
and like squeezing its way up. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Like Marvel closed yesterday up. I don't even know how many percent. Opens up today already up 3.
Wow. Insane.
The option I added is already up like almost 10%.
Wow.
It's a monthly. Expires in a month.
Dude, the monthlies are insane, bro. They really are.
They are because they're just the IB is like boosted on them right now.
Mm-hmm. NBIS ripping 216.
Sheesh. I think Rems is still holding positions on MBIS.
Dude, it's honestly so far. Like, it's so far because now I have that call for free, that leap. I can't believe how much we're running right now. My mind's all over
Yeah,
the place, but holy shit.
everything is like rallying. I'm just waiting for a retrace on Enki to be honest. I don't want to just like long.
Yeah. Wow.
Just a vertical candle on the port. Insane. Google cleared 400 a share for the first time yesterday.
I saw that, dude. And you know something crazy? I bought $300 calls when it was at like 160, 170. Bro, I checked those contracts yesterday when it broke 400. It's at like 15K each.
Jesus
I bought them
Christ.
for $500 a piece, bro.
That's actually insane. I can't lie. Holy.
15 motherfucking
But now you know, though. At
bro.
least now you know.
DMP, I swear to God, bro. The next market drop, I'm liquidating everything. I'm going half TQQ and then half fucking options on fucking long term.
Honestly, if I leaped my entire port, like if I just like took all my money in shares and put it into leaps on those same names, the gains would have been insane.
Bro, like we're young, right? Like it's still kind of safe, right? Like you've given yourself 2 years to like fully recover. Like,
Mhm.
bro, I don't think it's that crazy risky. I mean, maybe it is, but like, I don't know,
I mean,
dude.
I think it's like when you're younger, you should have like a higher risk tolerance. Then as you get older, you stabilize.
Agreed. So check this out. Ready? So
Mm,
705 on NQ.
mm,
ES just took out all-time highs.
mm.
SMT starting to get some wicks. Look
You
for
think we end up reshorting?
I mean, possibly, yeah. Scale down, maybe look for some sort of a confirmation. But this is, well, I'm not really even just just pointing out like this kind of,
Mm,
what we were just talking about, the SMT slowing down the wicks at 705.
right.
Look for some sort of like a 15-second confirmation, 30-second confirmation.
Yeah, I like it. We have this this like big 5 minute below. Honestly, we might end up leaving it.
We very
It's
well could,
15,
honestly.
3 minutes on this 15 minute. It looks like it's definitely going to close through all these gaps, 100%. Towards London. Just no retrace.
I know.
Let's see. Yeah, SMT on like both sides as well. And not even, yeah, you did say that. Yes, took out all-time highs again.
Yep.
The question is NQ lagging to go take it out, or are we? Is there potential to flip from here? I don't know.
That is the issue.
I think even if we do flip, it's like now we have to like re-flip the leg we just like came above. Like now we're gonna have to flip this bearish leg down.
Honestly, yeah, I don't want to like lean bearish at all. Like I was just trying to point that out to you. Like that could be like what we were talking about, how the SMT and then after 705, like that's how people definitely do trade.
Right. Yeah, I could see it for sure.
But yeah, no, the
Yeah,
way
NQ
that
still
this
has like a ways to all-time highs.
yeah,
Okay.
the way that this looks, bro, the way that the market looks, the way that the open looks, I'm sorry, and then we're at all-time highs. You don't ever want to fade this shit, bro.
Yeah. Just retracing long,
Bro,
ideally.
I was talking to one of my boys, bro, because I posted my TikTok and he was like, yo, like, you've been killing it in the market and shit. Bro, he's lost 20 grand trying to short options, like, every single day.
Jesus Christ.
Just like this entire market, he's been trying to short options, bro, and it's just getting cooked. I'm like, dude, literally just long until you're wrong, bro.
Yeah, no, there's no name in this market that's worth shorting right now. Actually, there's actually one name in this market that I do like, and it's Shopify, and this shit's just gonna fucking slam.
Holy shit.
I think it's gonna keep going lower and lower. I had alerts set for this break up here, but I don't think I think Shopify is gonna just take a little hit, man. I don't know.
Darren just texted.
What did you say?
Just bought some NOK, CSCO, and Marvel.
Cisco.
Yeah.
Marvel. I just added Marvel to watch list.
Fire. Marvel continues to
It's
gain
insane.
nicely, and I think it will continue on the run up to earnings on 5/27.
Yep. I like that. Cisco and Marvel, solid. Yeah, I added the Marvel 220 calls. Their IV is kind of like elevated. That's like 98%.
Wow. Okay.
But I think if you take a little bit out of the money, I think it's more worth. Because if Marvel's going to keep running, like those 220s are going to run into the money for sure.
For sure, yep.
They're already up 12%. I also like AMAT too, to just keep running from where it is. Can we get a retrace, bro? Fuck.
Did anyone catch anything yet? Anyone chase?
God, there goes London. No retrace. About to get off shit.
Was there even like a 15-second retrace or anything?
The only retrace was on ES.
Bro,
ES made that little retrace down.
Dude, Deadass wasn't even a 15-second retrace, bro.
Holy shit, we're going straight to all-time high.
Was that all-time highs? No?
Nah, it's about to be 693.
Wow.
Damn.
Wow.
GG's. That's insane. They didn't even give us a chance.
Holy shit.
Like what they wanted me to top blast this shit.
Wow.
I hate when I get a message that someone blew their account and I look at this chart and it's only going up. So what did you do?
Short.
Why? I think some people just naturally like to see things go down. Like things do go down faster than they go up, but it's like, nah.
Trust me, I'm like that.
I really did. I used to be like that though. I really only used to ever like just short, like any opportunity to short, I would just be on it 100%. But like over time, it's kind of like evened out. I'm pretty like neutral now with bias for the most part.
Bro, my boy that lost a 20K shorting, he just texted me. He goes shorting SPY at 10:05 EST. Dude.
Wait, shorting SPY at what?
At 10:05, like time.
Like he's pre-planning it?
Yeah.
Nah, it's over for bro.
I just told him, bro, you're gonna short a vertical line. I said, I'll take the calls. Like I'll take the opposite side. Let me be the bank.
Nah, like shorting. Like you looking at this market and you're like, I think I'm gonna short. Like, are you dead ass?
Nah, no way. Yeah, honestly, I can't believe. I mean, we left the 4 hour, which
Yeah.
I don't know.
Ultimately ended up holding the 4 hour.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. This shit just fucking. I don't even know, bro.
It's really just, I mean, technically just the fact that we had like solid SMT at the bottom of the range where usually, I mean, we would see NQ come into that 4 hour gap, but I think the SMT, we ended up putting in like the range SMT and internal. And then that just ended up like kind of loading the move.
Mm-hmm.
ES, with ES like tapping into this like a wick in the fibs, obviously. And I think ES was just too close to like the recent all time highs not to go back for them.
Yeah, for it not to go back. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
My draws on the highs, nothing for me. Yeah, I mean, there's no entries in this, honestly.
Check gold.
Let me see. Gold. I told you we're gonna calm down. We're gonna sweep those lows into 705. Well, we didn't hit 705, but take out those like range lows, and then it can get back into the buy model.
Exactly. That's well, that dude. Like that's like you're saying exactly what I had envisioned in my mind. Like it's crazy. Like
Mm-hmm.
it's
Because
exactly.
gold doesn't move like NQ. Like gold's like textbook. Like it's gonna take out like liquidity and it's gonna start moving the opposite direction.
Mm-hmm.
Usually, most of the time, it's like pretty easy to see manipulation.
Nah, that shit was.
That trade is fire.
One time I don't be greedy, bro.
I mean, I wasn't gonna tell you to hold, but I low key wanted you to hold down for that like midnight, those like midnight lows, but I was like, nah. Just because of the range, I just like it made sense for London, like the London TP, just because the range is kind of like, very like consolidated. Let's see, thank you doing now. Still no retrace, huh? That's not a good enough retrace for me.
No, bro.
Even though like that 1 minute probably sends us straight into the all-time high.
I'm not gonna lie. I mean, we tapped that 5 minute there, bro.
Wait, did we?
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, yes. Damn it.
It's GG's.
Well. Fuck.
Dude, it's crazy because we need to be that alert to catch like a small little retrace like that, like in these markets.
Yeah. Literally. Look at YM.
Wow, bro.
Here comes all-time high. And then the only thing you'll be able to do is target psych levels if you're the long. Keep longing this. Damn it, NQ.
Wow, dude. Just fucking wow.
Dead ass.
Just to put into perspective, every single time we've dropped, if you just bought calls, you'd be like a multimillionaire.
Indeed, yes.
Crazy,
Also, if you just bought Bandis when they IPO'd, you'd also be a multimillionaire.
Oh, bro. Or AD when they IPO'd.
Yes. Literally. But I mean, it's kind of crazy. There's a lot more tech companies to IPO. So honestly, I think we're chilling.
Yeah, there's got to be one or two more, right? That blow up.
I mean, think about SpaceX. You know, they're gonna end up militarizing SpaceX probably and using them for military purposes. It's gonna blast them off, and then you're gonna be at the top of the aerospace sector.
Insane.
I mean, I can see it, bro. That shit. They're saying that's gonna IPO at 1 trillion. Like, bro, if that's the case, that already screams government money.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, the way that Elon's connected, there's no way that they let it fail, bro. I mean,
So like, it's probably value. There's probably a lot of private investing within SpaceX already.
I think.
So when it IPOs, it's gonna be all that value.
I think my dad was saying that he actually like might have the opportunity to buy it pre-IPO.
If you can, that would be actually like generational.
He should, right? Like put a bag, like.
I think so.
Yeah.
Or even at least like a starter, something.
I'll tell him to get on it. All
It's
right.
Elon's company, and low key, he cares more about SpaceX and Tesla for being real.
Yeah, not for real. Just tap this 5 minute here. Got rid of the devil's
Yeah.
mark.
Internal SMT.
Wow, Tomei caught the longs.
Sheesh. Yeah, that shit printed just straight up.
Yeah. He caught it off the 1 minute. Literally right at market open.
Yeah, like that 931 flip.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm. What happens up here? Loki watching this. It's like 30-second gap,
Let me check.
but if it flips, I'd probably like break even at the all-time highs and like hold for like maybe a psych level.
I
I don't know yet.
I like it. 30-second flip.
Out of the 5.
Well,
Honestly, I don't mind like a deeper retrace.
no, I'm fine with it too.
Let's see. Unless it's oh my god, Marble Call's already up 30%. Dude, what the
dude, this market's insane. You gotta take advantage of it. I've
I
learned it the
gotta
hard
deploy
way, bro.
that ass, bro. Like what the fuck?
Ooh, 1 second IFG here.
Yo.
Oh, no.
Alright, I'm in 9 minis. Imagine. Wow. Marble's up 7% on the day. Are we dead ass?
Insane, bro.
It's crazy. Alright. What are we? 4 minutes is 15-minute gap could open.
Mm-hmm.
Just inside of these 5 minutes. Where's these fibs lining up at?
Well, let's see if we.
What if this 1 minute were to flip?
Yeah, see if we flip this 1 minute. I have the dodgy indicator up. Let's see if it should catch this.
But
Let's see.
they refuse.
Yeah, why would they make it easy? Why would they make it easy?
Nah, it's crazy because ES flipped its gap. Holy.
Wow. Yeah.
Why would it? They don't want us to win.
Wow, MBIS is over 220.
Jesus.
Rams is probably curling his
Swimming in a
toes.
bag.
Yeah.
But not even, because he's in like 20 different names that are all running.
Bro, it's insane, bro.
He has multiple like brokerage accounts, and he just splits names versus like he has different risk tolerances for each account.
Dude, how do we get like that, bro?
Well, we need an extra 5 years, a couple more monitors, and some motivation.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really not hard. You just got to screen names and just add names weekly and just watch them. Some names will take a month to trigger. Some names would be a week, whatever. You just got to screen names and then set your like alerts and just wait for it to trigger. That's all it is.
Dude, realistically, like, I would love to just become a swing trader, just full time, just like wait for alerts to trigger, wait for the higher time frame to look absolutely perfect, and then just take the position and just, have the conviction behind it.
Yeah, you can do exactly that. That's what a lot of people do. Just screen a bunch of names. They'll have like a 20 name list, and then they'll just watch through, set alerts, and whenever their alerts get hit,
And it's
they'll
so
play.
crazy, bro, because there's so many people out there that like you wouldn't even expect, like that don't work or whatever, that are traders that don't even say that they're traders. Like people like you would not even expect.
Yeah, nah. Most people don't even like to say anything about them trading.
Yep.
They just trade, make their money, and then it's like, how does this guy have all this money?
Yep. Just buy low, sell high.
Mm-hmm.
All right, is this the time that we start to get nervous about, the way the market's moving right now? Holy.
It is kind of slamming right here. Can't lie, huh?
Holy.
All right. Well. There was a small part of me, I swear, there was like that 1 minute guy was like, huh, what if we just short back into these 5 minutes? Shoulda, woulda, coulda, man. All right, wait. Actually, hold up. This is not bad. Because this could be a nice like deep retrace, actually. Now we're into this lower 5 minute.
We're at True Day Open, Midnight Open.
Yep, 618 also. This 30-second looks kind of interesting.
It does, honestly. Wow.
I'll stab it.
We flipped the 1 minute there too. We got the entry signal and the dodgy indicator.
Yeah, I'm in these holding for the all-time high.
Forward test this.
See how it plays out.
CNQ.
Good move.
Like that move up. Let's see. Any gaps that can stop us? Nah, nothing really. Should
No.
just blast off.
Only thing is we did edge of 15, but I mean, this reaction off the 5 and the fibs doesn't look bad.
Yeah, this would not be a bad trade to take an L on.
Yeah, my entry's at 586.
Word.
See if we get the follow through.
Just made the change in the state there. Yes, flip the gap.
Send it, please.
Thank you. 10 o'clock.
Yeah, right. Like nice little like could be like a nice 10 a.m. Just happened like pretty much right at 10.
Yeah.
Let's see. Really just see like a close above that 1 minute that we originally held.
Mm-hmm.
Or not.
Well. How much risk is this?
No way.
200.
What happened?
Literally 2 micros is $200 risk.
Yeah. Ranges are wide. Like this like up to like all time highs is a 100-point move.
See, like that seems insane.
And on the 1 minute it doesn't look like anything.
No.
Just give some follow through, bro. Holy. Waited on the retrace, the entry trigger.
I know. Everything was.
What else? I'll probably lock out regardless of how this trade plays.
Yeah, no, me too. Agreed.
This would be like my. Like this is the only like long that's made sense after the open.
100% agreed. This is gonna be like, if this plays out the one that I do the video on, like this looks really nice.
Yeah. Just need some volume.
Yep. Have you seen those TikTok clips of the people that like bottom and top tick? Like they'll be like watching, someone else trade on TikTok live, and then they'll switch their screen to like their position, and it's like they're bottom and top ticking where the other person was, buying or selling. And it's
Like they're playing like they're reversing people's position.
Yeah, they're literally reversing people's position.
There's this guy. What's his name, bro? It's Eddie, bro.
Oh,
Eddie, bro.
yeah,
Every
yeah.
day when I get on Eddie, it's like, and then there's like Turbo and ZZ, and they're like, bro, Eddie stops about to hit.
But literally, like people like that, like watching Eddie, fading his position, and then like going like screen recording, him showing.
But I think they troll, bro, because Eddie's apparently like a good trader.
Dude,
I think they troll on TikTok Live. I feel like, but I can't tell.
Oh my god.
Well, we almost looked good.
Yeah, I've seen him trade, bro. He's terrible, dude. I don't want to talk bad, but bro, it's bad.
He uses I think he trades like fibs and rejection wicks, and I don't know what else.
But basically, fuck, where's I going with it? I don't even know, but
yeah, nah, there's like people, bro, at 6 p.m. you go on like live and everyone is live.
Oh,
just ready.
Yeah. Oh, so that's where so like that's my biggest fear, bro. Is like me fucking, showing that this trade and then someone else fading in and then me scrolling on TikTok one day and just seeing that they faded it.
Dude, that would be some shit. That would be a psych hit.
Oh man.
Look at this shit. Enter trade. We just don't do anything.
Literally, bro.
Fried. Just slam my stop and queue at this point. Fuck it.
For real.
I should have long ES.
Yeah, bro. Like, come on, dog.
Like what? What are we doing? Even like the 5-minute close out of the gap was solid. Like, just gotta see.
One time NQ.
Literally one time. Wicked off 6 p.m. open, midnight perfectly. Aligned with 618, 5-minute gap. 30-second flip. Clear draw higher.
1 minute flip, 1 minute change in the state.
Exactly. So where's the move? This does not look ideal. Fuck it. Well, yeah.
Wow, dude. Yeah, I want Sleepy Joe markets back too.
Literally. Well, it looks like I will be getting stopped.
Yeah, me too.
W market.
Terrible.
Literally just like zero follow through whatsoever.
Problem is, we're gonna come tap this 15-minute.
Yep, and then just run.
Yep. Whatever. I'm just taking the L today.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Unless it would be cool if they felt a little bad.
I mean, there's no way.
I don't think
Yeah. Not GG.
just looks bad. Especially
Unless. Nah, it should be over.
please give us the game 7 Braun, the clutch 2018.
I saw like a clip, I think, of what you were saying about like was it D Wade or someone sitting courtside watching LeBron get swept?
Oh, Dylan Brooks.
Dylan Brooks, yeah.
Yeah,
Posted up in all those in the bling, bro. That shit look crazy.
yeah. Athlete money's different.
Yeah, bro. And then he had the fucking debt collector sitting there, just watching.
The funny thing is, Dylan Brooks doesn't even hate LeBron. Like realistically, like he's like low key a LeBron fan.
So why, like, what's the beef? Like,
I guess it's just like the lore. I guess Dylan Brooks is like the villain of the league.
oh, is he?
That's his thing.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Unless, dude, if we got like some just random spike candle to the upside, like they give us all these random just like Diddy candles down. What about the opposite end?
This has got to be like 7:05 of this 1 minute, right?
Yeah, 7.79.
Yeah.
Come on, hold the fibs for the one time NQ. Ooh, but it's no S&T.
Oh, GG's.
Bro, I hate when shit like gets towards stopping me and it just slows.
I know.
Make up your mind.
Yeah, it's about to get slammed here.
Looks like it.
Yep.
Insane.
I'm stopped there.
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped.
It's unfortunate.
There's no follow through. We got the retrace, the confirmation, but we did not get the delivery. Unfortunate.
Nah, dude, I swear if I got stopped to the tick like that, because
No way, right?
I put my stop loss not at the bottom of the wick,
Nah, there's no way.
there's gonna be hands thrown.
There's no fucking way.
Dead ass, there's gonna be fucking hands thrown, bro.
No fucking shot. It's still gonna do that, right? Nah, I think I'll get stopped.
Nah, dude, I hope this shit runs so I can put my head through my fucking monitor, bro.
Nah, it's gonna slam down. That was just their chance to say, hey, if you want to get out break even, here's your chance.
That's what I think too, bro. I think the exact same way.
It's the white rabbit with the clock.
Yeah, yeah.
I think today and tomorrow they said that like Trump and all those businessmen are gonna like be negotiating with China about various deals or whatever.
Word.
But I would assume that that's not going to be happening during the New York session. It would happen overnight, and that's why Asia moved like that because they were actually talking.
Oh, that's fair. That's fair.
Yeah,
Nah, dog.
no way, right?
Yeah, blue means bye. Bumblebee.
There's no way.
Oh no, there's a way.
I'm not gonna lie, part of me looking might just close this shit break even so I can get the fuck out of here.
I mean,
I'm not confident in this move up still. I don't know. Something. And we just edge that 15-minute gap again? It's whatever. I'm just gonna let the idea play however it goes.
bet.
That's my thing. Like, there's been so many days between this week and last week where I close, like, and I'll be like, I don't feel like holding. And then I go look back at the chart and they're like, oh, you should have held, bro.
I mean, dude, me too. Literally, me too.
Like, yesterday was insane. I closed, like, and then right after where I closed, like, shit just proceeds to run another 300 points. Like,
Yeah.
cool. Well, the good thing, actually, I just realized is we haven't really been getting tweets for AM with them being in China. So that's interesting. No tweets. We actually get some expansion in price. Take them to jail.
Deadass, bro. Deadass.
But I'm pretty sure China said something like they don't have any interest in like making like business deals. They're only wanting to talk about like the world conflict being the war. And something about the U.S. saying that they're gonna try and request China to like intervene in the war and help them against Iran. Like, why would they do that?
Fuck.
Honestly, bro, Trump's kind of just making us look like less of a superpower than we thought.
Yeah, yeah.
Because they said something like, "What? Trump's been to China twice in 10 months, and China's president hasn't come here once." Interesting.
Did you see the video of Trump meeting with Putin? I think it was, and he had like fucking U.S. military fly right over as he was meeting Putin.
I think so. Yeah.
Dude, it was a
Trying to
sick,
like establish dominance.
yeah, it was like a sick fucking video, bro.
I mean, when they landed in China, like they were playing the national anthem for them.
Wow.
But dude, imagine somehow the U.S. and China end up like allying, at least like business wise.
Dude,
That would be fucking insane.
that would be insane.
Because then at that point, what's going to send the market down?
North Korea?
Well, perchance.
Nah, I don't know, honestly, though.
I heard some guy, so like on Twitter, obviously it's everything in this game is just speculation, but this guy was basically saying how like with this whole war, like it's just a matter of time until China goes after Taiwan again. And then he like related it back to semis because of that Taiwan Semiconductor Company,
Yeah,
TSM. And he said that if China ever goes for like Taiwan again, like semis are going to take a hit because of TSM.
Fair.
That is a valid take though.
It is. TikTok said, taking a shit, watching my trade through your chart. Dude, I love it.
Honestly, that might be the true method, bro.
That might be meta. Deadass.
Nah, these markets like they've been slowly cleaning up, but like there's still remnants of the bullshit inside of it.
Oh, yeah. You can see right through it.
Like I feel like my problem is like yeah, we've ran up 30% on Nasdaq, but like intraday I have not been able to really see these moves.
Mm-hmm. Bumblebee, this is the IFG one. Dodgy. Yeah, no, there's still like hints of the bullshit.
I'm just closing the shit for a break even down. I'm not dealing with this.
That's totally valid, bro.
Fuck that, bro. That candle right there is gonna piss me off. So let's see. I made 85 per account. Let's go. I can eat.
Attaboy. Attaboy.
I'm just not sitting through that, bro. Like, I don't get it. Just deliver. If we're gonna buy up, this is where we're gonna buy from. Why is it so like
I agree.
so difficult? It doesn't make any sense. I don't know. When I start getting mad at the charts, I just don't even bother with them. Get the fuck off of shit.
It's fine, bro. Honestly.
Cause it's like, bro, like I'm literally supposed to be scalp trading. Basically, there's no reason why my trades on Nasdaq are 30 minutes or longer.
I agree. So dumb.
You enter off a 30-second, you wait an hour for delivery. Like, no way. And look, now they're gonna tease me and fucking just rip it, huh?
Bro. There's no
Do
way.
it, thank you. Oh, there's a way. There's absolutely a way.
Yes, just took it there.
Yeah, I would have to be break even there regardless. So let's see, would my break even have held? Every time I watch trailers, I'm like, I hope I would have got break even.
I think the exact same. Hopefully.
Dude, I'm about to be up 20% on Nasdaq.
That's fire.
I need to start. So my plan, like going forward, when like DCAing is, I'm not even gonna DCA into anything but VOO probably.
Okay.
So, like every other name, I'm just gonna let like the positions sit as they are, and then I'm just gonna try and make like the S&P at least like 30% of my port.
Word.
30% there, like 20% QQQ, and then the rest can be between like all the other names.
Okay, but that's not bad at all.
Just because, like, yeah, my port shouldn't be moving 1 to 2% per day. Like, that is fucked up.
It's kind of crazy.
Like, that is not okay, bro. It's supposed to be in my long term. They're over here moving this shit like a meme coin. NQ, you can die.
For real.
Look at this shit.
Dude.
I mean, honestly, I knew what I did. I'm not holding through this shit.
That's fine.
Wow. Like, do we end up breaking the SMT higher?
Wow, bro.
Perhaps. Wow. But I'm warming back up to my simple approach, literally only using like gaps and displacement.
I mean, dude, that's all you really need, honestly.
Yeah. Literally. So now my screen is just gonna be boxes and lines now.
Valid.
Price comes to one of those levels, wait for reaction, play it. I mean, that's what I did today, but this shit was just weird.
I know. This was fucked.
We really came down and held that 0.79 on the 1 minute, like
Very
fibs.
perfectly, bro.
That's insane.
So annoying.
I just faded the shit out of myself. But you know what? I don't trust the Nasdaq.
It's alright.
Let me see. Dude, BWA is like just it's still holding like higher. Borg Warner looks like really good. I don't know really what the fundamentals behind them are, but for some reason money is just piling into them.
Yeah, see, I've never even heard of them before, honestly.
Yeah, I only know about them because like that's just the brand of turbos that BMWs use.
Oh, yeah.
Like stock.
You did say that.
Yeah, they make but they make obviously more than just like turbos and stuff. Like they're just overall like an industrial.
Mm-hmm.
Founded in 1928. Jesus Christ.
Wow.
They're up 2% on the day. It's actually crazy. There's a part of me that doesn't want NQ to complete the buy model just because I got fried. Or not get fried, but because I closed.
Dude, I feel you.
Like, bro. Rem says AVGO.
I've heard that. My dad holds that, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, Broadcom. He said Sleeping Giant looks ready for the next leg up. They're 4% today. I'm not gonna lie. Every play that this guy has called for like the last 2 weeks have all printed. He's got to be an insider.
Dude, honestly.
Ooh, honestly, AVGO doesn't look bad at all. It like this. You should look at the daily chart
Let me check.
and tell me what you think. We had a leg up, tightened the range, and now we're looking like we're about to break back through that range for another leg. EMA's probably pulled back on it too.
Oh, yeah. No, it does honestly look solid. It looks like it's ready for its next leg up.
Yeah, it does. The EMA's caught up, and now we're like displacing off of it.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez. Not too shabby. Nasdaq, bro. Nasdaq. Oh man. Like, bro, for reference, I literally closed that trade on the 1017 candle.
I know. I know.
Like, what the fuck? Wow. I'm gonna chud for that one. That was like,
Oh, it's alright, bro.
for tomorrow Friday.
Yeah.
I'll have to pass these accounts next week. I was gonna try and pass them out tomorrow, but fuck it. And it's because these tradeifys require 3 days, 40% on an eval, 40% consistency makes no sense.
See, that's kind of whack.
Literally. And then, but the alphas are no consistency. But then when they get funded, then they flip where tradeifys no consistency, alphas 40%.
Oh, see, that's whack.
Yeah. I mean, naturally, like if you're taking like structured trades, you should be able to fall within that consistency. Like
Yeah,
just
but
like
just like the flip like that, that's kind of crazy.
yeah, it is. I probably once I pass these, I'll probably end up like connecting them to a copier. I mean, I should just connect them to a copier now, but kind of whatever.
All right. Fuck this.
Bro, I gotta get a shirt made with your face on it with just capital letters. Fuck this. I feel like that is like your notorious fucking quote.
Bro, because I'm just so over it. Like
if I feel like if chat ever wants to know if the market's good or bad, just wait for the Jan signal. Fuck this, bro.
Bro, this shit.
Then you know it's fucking shit.
This shit's fried. Like, how are we? I mean, I guess it makes sense the SMT, but like, all right.
Yeah, I mean, fair enough. I think we read the market fine, honestly. And the only difference you could have put on your trade was just that protected low. That's it.
Yeah, dude, I don't know why. I see. This is the issue though. Like, it's always with fucking futures, bro. Because I try and cut a little bit of a corner and I get stopped by fucking 2 ticks.
I just realized like, well, just because of like rejection blocks, but not in that sense. That wasn't necessarily a rejection block. But I always noticed like price will always like take out like body highs and lows, and then like see reactions like the wick, like the bodies and the wicks are like different in terms of like how like liquidity is within them.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's actually insane.
I don't want to say, but I'm just just R.
Just R. Yo, that was funny as fuck. Just R. That's valid.
Or CE of the 5 minute.
I mean, at least we played price how we were supposed to. Waited for the retrace.
Yeah.
Waited for the confirmation. Played the confirmation, and at that point, the last step is just delivery, which comes down to the market.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually fucked up though.
Yeah, hopefully this thing just gets stopped. But if anyone's in this trade, I hope it doesn't. Not you, Hyman. Sorry. Yeah.
Bro, Hyman, because bro.
Oh, you're not in. Okay. Yeah, then I really hope it fucking gets stopped.
Yeah, if no one's in this, I hope this shit just slams right back to the low.
Yeah.
So I don't feel as bad. I just gotta get used to holding like as like a normal thing. I don't like holding.
No filter.
You still make anything from a movie that hits.
Yeah, for
It's
real.
true.
Dead ass though.
It's valid. Even if it doesn't hit, you can still make it. I mean, shit. Like,
Yeah, if this gets stopped at break even, just say, you know, it's unfortunate.
it would just be a break even trade.
Yeah.
See, and if I was in this still, I'd be pissed now. Like,
Yeah.
are we dead ass? I think we played it right. It just delivered really weird.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Super odd delivery.
The only thing I would have changed was just stop loss placement. Just.
I mean, that's the only thing that you could have changed there.
Yeah.
Everything else was valid.
Wow.
Or, so your original stop was what? Those other bodies?
Yeah, literally just at the bodies.
True. And of course, ES didn't come that far down at all.
Mm-hmm. Wow. INFQ is looking pretty solid.
Let me see. INFQ. Oh yeah, it's not bad, huh?
Yeah, it's starting to break out now. I like the fib from low to high is 705 this area. So I mean, I just wanted to see some sort of reaction out of here.
This 4-hour breakout. The 4-hour looks like where like the break is, like the consolidation, and now we're getting above these like highs, like almost like $14. It's not bad. Honestly, yeah. If it closes like above like the those consolidation highs, it should just end up running. It probably goes in and fills in some of these like kind of volume imbalances, these like daily gaps.
Yep. I want to see just they run, you know.
Yeah. Probably runs at least into like 1650s, and then I mean it has a lot of room higher past that. Looks good. Watch this 15-minute wick send us on NQ to the downside. That'd be insane. We did it 7-9 up there. I'm about to take anything else.
I should have been greedy today, bro. I should have extended profits on the gold.
It's insane how it perfectly took those lows and came back for them.
Dude, literally perfectly, bro.
Came back up into the range. Now it probably goes back up for the range highs and probably trades past that for like the AMD. Insane.
Alright, can this thing just finish?
Is this even a true statement?
Which one?
Apparently, the president of China, like last night when they were talking, like in the conference or whatever, he told Trump that they should be partners, not rivals.
Really?
Apparently, I don't know how true that is. Why would he ever say something like that?
Yeah.
Telling you, bro, if China and the U.S. somehow become allies, that'd be some insane shit.
That would be. Dude, I mean, I don't know. The propaganda here in the U.S. saying that China is, third world country, all this shit, it's garbage. China is so much more technically advanced than us.
Yeah, they are. By a long shot. Bro, tech CEOs from China were running up to Elon to take pictures with him.
Nah, that's insane.
Bro has aura.
Husky, we're live every day, weekday. Yeah, this shit's fried.
Our deal was right regardless. I think like delivery just bad, and also once that SMT at Hive Day gets made, like you would manage your position a bit and kind of decide how to play it.
Look into write this down in your phone or something. CRBS. CBRS, I'm sorry.
CBRS.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Cerberus.
Okay, yeah, I've heard of them.
It's-
Put it in my notes.
They're IPOing today, and everyone that's
Mhm.
listening, definitely, keep this on your watch list. It's
Bet.
very.
What is it, tech or what are they?
It's it's like for AI chips. It's the world's largest AI chip for supercomputers.
Mm.
I don't know exactly.
Oh, they're already like listed, but you just can't buy them yet, huh?
Yeah.
Hmm. Oh, but you can like kind of like try and predict where it's gonna release at and try and get filled. Interesting.
Honestly, I didn't even see this on
I might have just listed it.
Robinhood.
So you can like put in like a
Oh shit.
like
yeah.
how much you'd pay for per share, and then depending where it gets released, you might get filled on it. Probably not worth though. Just wait for it to come out.
Dude, wait.
Honestly, that's solid. Then.
Enter the most you'd pay per share. If executed, you'll get shares at the best price that's at or below your bid. So it's like the max amount you'll pay. So say you put like 185, like that's max you'll pay. If it opens up at like 130, do you get filled at 185 or 130?
So let me see. It says we'll get shares at the best price that's at or below your bid. So if it comes out at 130, I'd assume it would fill you at that 130, and then it would just like maybe it would roll over like the extra money into more shares, perhaps.
I would
Or it'd
hope
roll
so.
over back into your buying power, one of the two.
Yeah. I would really hope so.
But I don't think it would execute above your bid though, so that's good. Like if you were to put 185 and it comes out 200, it just wouldn't fill you. You would just then have to get a different fill.
Fair.
So I guess like worst case scenario is you either get filled at 185 or you get filled lower.
Yeah, you either get a better fill or not. Yeah.
Yeah. But names like this usually are just gonna end up opening higher than that estimated share price, I feel like.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean if they're within AI, so honestly like they're like that's like a very significant role. Cloud systems.
Their Twitter's been going crazy over them, honestly.
Yeah, because they're almost like an AWS of AI. That's basically what they are.
Yeah. That's a good way to put it, honestly.
So they build AI supercomputers, they build AI models, they have cloud systems and processors. So they have everything. So this is a company where it's like NVIDIA would invest in them. Intel, like a bunch of these companies that are all AI invested would just invest in this company as like a main like backbone. That's what it looks like. It's actually solid. Supercomputers makes me think Google. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, I'm only down 10% on Meta now. I don't like Mark Zuckerberg, bro. Bro's probably somewhere on his multi-billion-dollar yacht while I'm getting rinsed on his fucking company.
Dude, seriously.
How dare you?
Seriously. You don't care at this point.
Nah. Bro, another thing that I feel like is fucked up is CEOs being able to dump shares.
That's like insane.
Like Jeff Bezos is so known for doing that. Like he'll just liquidate shares and then rebuy them. Like what do you mean? You're basically trading your own fucking company, bro?
That's crazy. You just say that he's, I don't know.
I don't know.
Like he wants to sell the stock, sell it, buy it back.
Fair enough.
You know?
It's valid. Well, I guess we will be going for those all-time highs.
Yep.
And then YM, dead.
Terrible.
Bro, I might start using like the Robinhood like bank.
So I actually like opened up an account, I'm pretty sure, with them, but I think that you have to move the money out of your Robinhood portfolio into that bank. It's like a different thing.
Are you sure? I think it's like an actual account. Like it has like a routing and everything.
Like through the Robinhood app?
Hmm. Well, so there's a Robinhood banking app.
Okay, yeah, that's what I saw.
So on there, it's like an actual, like it's pretty much an actual bank. And the good thing is, so it's like their savings. It includes like that 3.5% like for gold. So then you can only get banking if you have gold.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
And so you can set up like direct deposits as well. So like for example, like payouts and everything, like you can just direct deposit straight to Robinhood if you wanted.
Oh, that's valid.
And then it just accrues that interest as long as it goes into savings. And it's just like another bank account pretty much.
I mean, dude, I have the Capital One savings. I only get
Mm.
3.1. And I'm like,
I mean, that's not that big of a difference realistically.
it's
They
not
fluctuate.
it's not, but like Robinhood Gold, like just for having the
Mm.
gold, I get 3.3
Is that what yours is at right now?
like through Robinhood Gold, yeah.
Really? Mine says 3.5.
What?
But it fluctuates, or does it fluctuate per person? Because yeah, mine like on gold, like I can get 3.5 on my cash. Or actually, no. Okay, wait. Wait, it says 3.35% API with gold. What does that mean? Oh, okay, yeah. So the banking has different interest rates. The savings on banking
Yeah.
has 3.5%,
Yeah.
whereas your buying power is 3.35. That's what it is. So if you just hold cash in your buying power on Robinhood, it's gonna go up by 3.3
I
every
see.
month. But if you put in the savings on the actual banking app, then it goes up by 3.5% instead.
I see. I see. Okay. Okay.
That's what it is. Yeah.
But
So there's a
even
slight difference.
but even still, like through Capital One, I'm getting 3.1
Mm.
APY. Robinhood Gold, I get 3.3. Like just
Yeah, at
cut.
that point, it's like a negligible difference.
No, yeah, it's minuscule, but like I don't know. I kind of just thought that Robinhood wouldn't be like that. Like I don't know.
It's probably just like an incentive from them for more people to use them.
Fair. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because that 0.2% is so minuscule.
Yeah, it is. But I mean, depending on how much you put in there, like it could make a difference over the course of months.
Yeah.
I think about like 5 months, it's like 1%.
Yep.
Gold bar sale.
There's near game high.
Yep, probably just gonna go for the all-time highs here now. Would I have got break even? I would not have. Die in Q.
Once this takes Asia highs, I'm out.
Yeah.
Just come back into the range. Give us another
S-
30 minutes of price action.
Yep. What's this Robinhood? It says 8:30 p.m. today. Gold bar private sale. They were stocking their store with 1 gram solid gold bars. The first 500 sold will cost just $20 each instead of $190.
I saw this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I had it on my thing. That's today, right?
Mm.
At 8:25.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. 8:30.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah. So do it.
So so how do you do this? Like, what do you even do?
I think you just like got to get lucky. Like it's just like it's like first come first serve or whatever, and you buy a 1 gram gold bar for $20.
Hmm.
So I mean I don't know. It's nothing crazy, but like I'd keep that
The
shit.
Ponzi scheming us.
Yeah. It should probably cost them $15 to make.
Deadass. It's gonna be fucking less than 10 carat.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Earnings today. Oh, AMAT has earnings today.
Hmm.
Interesting. All right, NQ, come on, take the all-time highs out.
Yeah. Come on, kid. Good shit, loaf. Yeah, and yes, it's just fucking running higher.
Yeah, deadass is stronger overall.
no way we edge it. There's just no way.
Let's see.
Send it. Send it.
Just spike it. Thank you. Go for it. Yes, just floating.
I know. Come on. Nah. It's crazy because we delivered like whatever, fucking the same amount of points that we're delivering now in like 10 minutes, but it's taken us, an hour.
Exactly. Yeah, at this point, even if I was still in this, like I would just be losing my mind because why are we taking so long to go for the all-time highs? That's right there,
Yeah, I know.
13 points away. This range is like 200 points. You can't go for 13. Meanwhile, ES just creating new all-time highs on each stair step.
Seriously, bro. Just spike it here. Come on.
There it is. Yeah.
Finally.
Let's go.
Alright, fellas. GG's.
Holy ES.
Holy
Oof, that 15-minute looks fucking garbage on ES. What the fuck? Insane. Well, we had the right move, but honestly though, that delivery was fucking garbage because we had the original entry, then price dug deep where it's like usually we shouldn't even retrace that far down towards that low.
Mm-hmm.
That's number one. And then we made the leg up. That leg up should have just delivered straight to all-time highs. And then we get the second retrace again, which might have been a 5-minute. It was, yeah. 5-minute, and then we deliver. Like, I guess the second leg after our entry was cleaner. The leg, like, with our entry was just weird.
Agreed. 100%.
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah.
Alright, fellas.
Yeah. Catch you boys in the morning.
Yes, sir. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
Take it easy.
Yep. Peace out, fellas.
Later.
Peace, fellas.